Hello everyone, welcome back to my orchid paradise. Today I'm sharing a super easy and natural way to take care of orchids using ginger and oatmeal. Ginger helps keep the roots healthy and protects them from rot, while oatmeal gives the plant extra nutrients to grow strong and bloom beautifully. It's simple, effective, and all natural. Stay with me and let's make your orchids thrive together. If you've just brought home a new orchid but don't know how to care for it, or worse, it starts to wither away, don't worry. I'll guide you through the solution and be your trusted friend in helping your orchids grow strong and healthy non-stop. I will cut off the damaged roots because they can cause rot and prevent the orchid from growing healthy and strong. If you're having trouble with language, don't worry. We provide subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and more. How to change subtitles. Step 1. Click the settings gear icon on the video. Step 2. Select subtitles/CC. Step 3. Choose your preferred language. If your language isn't available, select auto translate and pick your desired language. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy the video perfectly in your own language. We will use a piece of ginger. Then we will chop it into small pieces. Please show your love and support by subscribing to the channel. Your support is my biggest motivation to create more amazing content. We will pour 50 milliliters of hot water to soak and brew ginger. After that, I will use oatmeal. Oatmeal is packed with important nutrients like phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These help strengthen roots, keep leaves green, and encourage beautiful blooms. After that, I will dip the orchid into the oatmeal water solution and let it soak. After taking the orchid out, I will let it drain for a moment. Then I'll use a cotton pad to gently wipe off any excess moisture. This helps prevent rot and keeps the plant healthy. Let it dry completely for a full day before the next step. Herb sparkles. The orchid is now completely dry, so it's ready to be planted. Look, the roots of orchids have recovered healthy and green. Let's fix the orchid tree together. Pine bark is a game changer when it comes to growing orchids. It keeps the roots happy by draining water quickly, so you don't have to worry about rot. At the same time, it holds just enough moisture to keep your orchid hydrated without overdoing it. Add a little moss to help retain moisture and keep the roots from drying out too quickly. It also creates a humid environment that orchids love, helping them grow stronger and healthier. We're gonna mix the ginger water with the oatmeal solution and use it to water our orchids. Ginger helps fight off bacteria and fungus, keeping the roots strong and healthy. Oatmeal is packed with vitamins B1, B5, and E, plus minerals like magnesium and iron, which help the plant grow faster and greener. It's an easy, natural way to give your orchids the nutrients they need to thrive. After 2 months, you'll start to see the magic happen. The roots will be stronger, the leaves greener, and your orchid will look healthier than ever. Just be patient and keep up with the care routine. Good things take time. Look at those roots. It's truly exciting and rewarding to see them growing strong and healthy. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you had a great time enjoying this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye.